Extreme foods around the world. In this video, we will discuss extreme meals. Whether it be sports or food, the word extreme means something a little different to everyone. When we're talking about the most extreme food, it's a tough call to make. Which special quality makes food the most extreme? Is it the one that burns a hole in your mouth, or the dish so disgusting that just the thought of it makes your stomach turn? They're both extreme in their own ways. So here, we mapped out some of the most bizarre foods. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Pufferfish, Japan. Pufferfish, also known as fugu, is a Japanese delicacy that may kill you. The pufferfish must be cooked by a licensed chef since they contain a dangerous toxin. For this day to be safe for the customer, it must be made in a certain method by an expert chef. There is no known antidote available for the treatment of the toxin found in the skin and insides of this fish. Many nations, including Thailand, prohibit the ingestion of this fish. Paniki, Indonesia. What are your opinions on your favorite Batman character being turned into a ready-to-eat main dish? People in North Sulawesi, believe it or not, cook a wild bat into a delectable delicacy known as paniki. To get rid of the mammal's tart scent, it's usually boiled with coconut milk, chilies, and a few strong spices. The fried and skewered ones are very popular among the natives. The flesh of this animal is beneficial in the treatment of allergies and asthma. Surströmming, Sweden. Surströmming is regarded as one of the world's stinkiest foods. Surströmming, a Swedish delicacy, is fermented Baltic herring. To keep the flesh from spoiling, the fish is fermented in salt water. They ferment in barrels for more than 2 months before being packed in pressurized cans, where the fermentation continues. Because of the strong odor, this Swedish delicacy is prohibited on flights. Rotten cheese, Italy. Rotten cheese, also called casumarzu in Italy, is a classic sheep milk cheese. The cheese is unique in that it contains live bug larvae or maggots. With their digestion, the maggots cause the cheese to decompose. As a result of the maggots breaking down the lipids, the cheese softens. The cheese may create some health problems in the consumer, as well as an increased risk of intestinal infection. Ulat sagu, Indonesia. When visiting East Indonesia, such as Maluku or Papua, make sure to try the ulat sagu. It's a traditional dish composed of sago worms. The animals are frequently hunted in sago or coconut trees and eaten uncooked by the natives. If you don't want to swallow them whole, try them grilled or broiled. The delicious and juicy bug pairs well with spicy sambal. Sannakji, Korea. Sannakji, raw baby octopus, is provided to food fans with minimal preparation. The octopus is dissected, served with sesame oil, and instantly delivered on a platter. As a result, many of the tentacles will continue to move. Remember, each leg of an octopus has its own brain and will not hesitate to use their suckers on you if you try to consume them. Blood clams, Shanghai, China. If you eat blood clams in Shanghai, you don't have to sleep with someone questionable to acquire hepatitis. Although blood clams are regarded as one of the more delectable Chinese delicacies, the Shanghai method of preparation includes quick boiling them, which leaves numerous viruses and germs present, including hepatitis A, E, typhoid, and dysentery. Tikus panggang, Indonesia. Tikus panggang, or grilled rat, is another amazing and unusual North Sulawesi cuisine. The charred, meaty animal sounds strange, but it's worth trying. It's lovely and soft, and the adorable critter tastes like chicken. Don't be alarmed while biting on it. The wood rodent is preferred by the locals over the conventional filthy kind. Bullfrog, Namibia. Why settle with just the legs when you can get the complete frog in France? The giant Namibian bullfrog is a delicacy in this African country, but time is important. It is customary to eat after the third rain, or when the frogs begin croaking and reproducing. Failure to do so frequently results in renal failure, known locally as oshi kata-kata. Kerapik sikar, Indonesia. Wait a minute. Kerapik sikar may seem appealing by its name. Do you understand what the terms mean? Chicken foot chips are known as keripik sikar. The crispy snack is widely available on the Indonesian islands of Bali and Java. The chicken paws are marinated with salt, pepper, and spices, before being deep fried to a crisp, garlic, coriander, and lime leaves. It's best served with steamed rice and spicy sambal. Hakkarl, fermented shark, Iceland. A traditional meal in Iceland is fermented shark, and the traditional way of fermenting it is to bury it in the ground and then urinate on it before letting it rot for some months. However, urine is no longer used in this process, but it was used back in the day before modern culinary techniques could be used. The shark does actually smell of ammonia, but the fermentation process, consisting of burying the shark underground and hanging it to dry for 4 to 5 months, takes care of that. It is done to get rid of the acid in the flesh, which makes it impossible to eat fresh. The result is definitely an acquired taste. The locals just love selling samples to tourists to watch their faces turn sour. So that's it for this video. If you made it this far, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more fantastic material. Thank you for your time.